To fix incompatible graphic drivers in AMD. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on the AMD, and here you have to go on your driver and the support. Now once you're in, you have to go on the product, and here you have to scroll down, select the 55700 series, and here you have to go on the XT, and after that simply submit this. Now once you're in, you have to click on the Windows 11 64-bit edition, and here you have to download this. Now here it is downloaded, and after that you have to add your email address, location or the region, and here you have to fill up this captcha. Once you fill up this captcha and the AMD graphic driver has been downloaded, what you have to do is simply install and add up your account, and you are able to fix incompatible graphic drivers in AMD.